In this part, we are going to answer the question, when do we use the past progressive? The first answer, which is obvious, is that it is linked to the continuity of any action. What does it mean, continuity? It means the progress of any action. We are talking here about an action that, well, either it is long, or either I want to emphasize its progress in time, or I compare it with another short action. We are going to see many examples that are going to clarify this point here about the continuity and progress of the past progressive. So in the example, the students were doing their homework when the headmaster came in. Here I can see the use of the past progressive here, were doing, and I see came in here. So this is the past progressive because I see here the use of the auxiliary were plus the main verb do in, doing. And here it's the past simple, came, the past simple of the verb to come. Here the students were busy doing some kind of homework in their classroom when suddenly the headmaster came in. So imagine, for example, that the students were busy at 8 o'clock. So they started to do the homework at 8 o'clock. And when we are going to ask ourselves, when did the headmaster came? What time? Well, of course, he came in after they were doing their homework, after they started. If they started it at 8 o'clock, we can imagine maybe that the headmaster came in at 8:30 or 8:10 or 8:15. So here, this action is continuous, busy doing their homework, thinking about their answers, writing them, etc. When suddenly, all of a sudden, the headmaster knocked on the door and came in. So the students were doing their homework, means that they were doing their homework. Then after that, maybe after 15 minutes or 10 minutes or 20 minutes, the headmaster entered the room, came in. The use of the past continuous in situations like this is very common in English grammar, especially in connection with the beginning of a story of an event that took place in the past. Like in this one. The other day I was running in the park when I saw a cat. The other day means yesterday, maybe 2 days ago, maybe 3 days ago. Well, it's the other day. It's not about today. I'm not talking about the present time. I'm talking about a past event. I was running. It means I was busy. I was running in the park when suddenly, when I saw a cat. When you saw the cat, it means that the cat came after you started running. Same thing here, last week. Last week, as I was ironing my clothes, the phone rang. Okay, imagine this situation. You are busy doing what? Doing ironing. You are ironing your clothes, but not you are now, but you in the past, last week. So you were ironing. So I was ironing my clothes when suddenly the phone rang. It means the phone, when the phone rang, it did like this. I was ironing. Okay, busy. Then the phone rang at maybe after I started ironing, after maybe 1 hour, maybe 15 minutes, etc.